Morning, my friends. I'm in benidorm for this walk. We've got a 4-day stag do. We've done 3 days on the piss and we've had a good time. But last day we got an early flight. I'm going to go for a bit of a walk. And my destination today is, I'll spin you around, I'll show you. It's hopefully up there, look. It's a beautiful morning. I'm just going to have a walk on the beachfront first till I get round to there. Hello.
Hello.
It's a beautiful day. Let's look at the views, people. That's where I should have got up there. It is absolutely beautiful. One of our rises in benidorms though, more hotels all them. Must have been the boom. You know, the British going on holiday. I don't know if any of you have been to benidorm, but we've had a good time. I'd say Liam's stag do. Oh, big shout out to Johnny Swaffer. He's asked for a mention. Thumbs up, Johnny. It was a pleasure, mate. Benidorm, it's party town, definitely. It's a bit, reminds me of like Blackpool on steroids. But we've had a great time. But like I say, we've got an early flight tomorrow morning. We've got to be at the airport. We'll fly at 6 AM. So I'm going to have a relaxing day today. Bit of a walk. Catch you in a bit. Look at that for an hotel. Met a new friend. Cat's been following me for the last 10 minutes. I think he's after something to eat, but I ain't got nothing. Well, I've left benidorm. I'm walking into the unknown now. I took a few references, visual, because I don't really know where I'm going. I'm just winging it, to be fair. I'm heading up there. I'll say I'm just getting out the city now. Heading up there. So he texts me. Walking up into the hills now. Zoom in a bit. See if I can get up there. It's ever so strange, you know, walking in a place that you haven't got a clue where you are. I'm prepared, I've got my bottles of water and that, etc. Don't think I'm going to make it all the way up there, to be fair, because that'll be too much. But we'll have a bit of a walk, see how I get on. Welcome back, my friends. I've walking in now the Sierra Cortina mountain range, benidorm. It's absolutely great. It's a red hot day. I'm having a nice stroll. I'm keeping to the main trails, to be fair though, because I'm, not familiar with the area. So I'm going to play it smart. I ain't going to wander off the beaten track unless I come across something that catches me eye. I'll just spin you around, show you a bit of scenery. That's the way I'm going to walk up there for a little bit. It's just my cup of tea though, not a soul about, just how I like it, on your own, peace and quiet. Right, I'm afraid I can't have a brew today either, which is a bit gutted. I ain't got my brewing stuff. But I've got water, so it'll keep me hydrated. I'm going to carry on for a bit, see you in a bit. I wouldn't mind looking in that cave up there, but that's a bit of a scramble from this direction. Spend the night in there, see if I can get round the side of it. Up in the mountains, look, and there's like a disused fairground. Well, theme park, shall I say. Circus Maximus, Roman amphitheatre. Don't look like it's in use no more. Love to explore around there, but I ain't jumping the fence, a bit risky. Got slightly lost a little bit. I think I took the wrong path going back down. But I've come across this cairn, which is, as you can see, it's a few stones stacked on top of each other. Normally shows you the way back, the path to take to the way back. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll tip me back down again. I'll let you know later. It was a bit of a wise decision to follow that cairn. It is a path, look, as you can see. It's taking me back down. Just always move. Yeah, it's definitely the way down. Look, see over there, that hotel. That was my viewpoint, so I could make sure I was walking in the right direction back. Like I say, it's a bit, I wasn't really prepared for this walk in Benidorm, but because I'm on a stag do by rights. But when in town, you know what I mean, I couldn't resist having a walk up the mountains. It's got to be done. And I'm glad I did now, because it's been a great walk. Total solitude. I haven't come across a person. Hardly any wildlife, apart from a couple of birds. Got the odd noise up the mountains. Come across a couple of caves, but I ain't got the right footwear. I'll just start scrambling up hills. But you have got to be careful sometimes, because I know, like last time I went to Mallorca, the people do live in the mountains, in the caves. But it's been a great walk. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll bring you back later. Definitely on the way back down. See that fallen tree there? That's where I sat. Had a bit of a drink and a fag. So it's back that way. There's that big hotel at my viewpoint. So just head down that way. Take you back onto the civilization. Right, I've made it back down. Thank God for that. I was panicking a little bit, but the thing is, if you do find yourself, you're not sure where you're going, don't panic. Sit down, take stead of where you are, think, have a rest. Don't panic, because that just makes it worse. Take 10, 15 steps one direction, keeping the viewpoint in view. That's not where it was. Try a slightly different direction. You'll find your way back. But like I say, I didn't come prepared for this walk anyway, to be fair, because I am on a stag do. But I had to have a walk. I could not walk up the hills while I was in Spain. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, like and subscribe. Now I'm going to head back to the hotel, because I'm bossed in for the brew. So the motorway is right behind me now. Well, dual carriageway. Thank you for watching. I know it wasn't a very long walk. Thank you for watching. Catch you later.